probably already know it too, but society is cooked. And instead of just crying about it, complaining about it, I I don't like doing that. I want to find ways we can actually try to fix this. So I'm just gonna be talking to you one on one, like just a chill talk about what we can do. And I think there's some great solutions to this. And first, I just want to talk about like what it really, what I mean by just society being like this. I feel like so many things are just normalized, and a lot of other things just lost their value, their meaning. Like, for example, just being on your phone all day. That's completely okay and it's completely fine. There's nothing really done to kind of change that. It's just a default thing, like, oh, he's just on his phone. Yeah, that's completely fine. Oh, he's not talking to me. Yeah, he's just on his phone. I feel like life is just becoming harder and harder to make genuine connections. Or like, oh, okay, this guy smokes, this guy has been around a bunch of girls and stuff. It's okay, that's completely normal. Or vice versa. And so many things like don't feel the same. I feel like it's kind of something I'm experiencing too, like going through this time. If you don't know who I am, by the way, I'm Timothy. I'm 17. I'm just sharing thoughts and ideas that I think about, and hopefully we can grow together. But so many bad habits, I feel like, things that wouldn't be accepted hundreds of years ago, if not thousands, are just completely fine now. The same things which are being like brushed off or just like not really cared about, like having maturity or just thinking long term, when everyone's main incentive in life is just pleasure, hedonism, money, just things to please themselves instead of thinking about anything else. But what I honestly see all of this is just a test. It's genuinely just the higher ups, the people up top, and them trying to just control more people, the whole world. Whether you even want to say it's the devil. It could be. The way it feels like just taking all the distractions, all the focus away from a long-term life. And what I honestly see this, and it's one of the first things I'm going to talk about, is like a way we can go about this is I honestly just feel like it's a test. It's just a challenge. And if we can fight through this challenge, you're going to get rewarded a lot. And it's going to be easy to find like-minded people. The pain we feel now is nothing compared to the joy in the future. And many are called to this challenge, but few actually make it. Few are chosen. Another thing we can do, and the last thing I'm going to say I think is the most vital thing, but our mindset about this matters a lot too. I don't think that it's worth just kicking myself about this or just complaining about it. Like I kind of felt weird for just talking about like all these problems, like cry me a river. Like that's what I feel like I'm kind of saying to myself, but I just want to express how I feel, and if you relate, hopefully. So we both know that we're on the right track and we're not going to fall with what the rest of society and what the higher ups, the people controlling us and trying to make us glue to our phones, what they want, because we're better than them. If we can go about it like I know there's people for us. I know there's people that we can meet along the way that also think like us. Because I know we're not the only ones. I know there's other people also on this journey, also thinking, why is society like this? We're not alone. We're not in this together. We are in this together, and we don't have to be alone. We don't have to just be fighting against these things solo. We can really squat up and fight all these challenges, these difficulties. I remember so many times when it's night out like this, just stepping outside by myself in a quiet world, just outside my backyard, and hearing the cars flush by, just life happening, and thinking, man, why is life like this? Why does society have to just be so aligned with stuff that's happening right now and have zero care about anything that happens in the future? It's like we're living like it's the last day and nothing matters after this. It gets stressful. Like, you don't know, like, does anyone else feel like this? Does anyone else care? What's the point of me even trying? When you aren't around people who think the same as you, or you're just consumed by all these new doctrines and what society wants you to believe in for hours and hours on end every day, when you're just glued to your phone, because that's what the people that are controlling us want us to do. They want us to think that this is the only way. They want us to think that there is nothing else we can do. They want us to struggle, to escape, to live our own free life, to have a life that's long-term, to embrace the longevity of our life. They don't want us to do that. They want us to be trapped and glued to what they want us to feel and get their money out of us, their time out of us. They want to leech on us. But we don't have to do that. If we change the way we think about our life, the pain we feel is nothing compared to the joy in the future. If we be tenacious, if we think about the positives that we have in our life, if we stay connected, I have a like-minded community in the description that we can all connect with. There's plenty of other people in there that we can talk to and relate with, and we don't have to do this alone. It's just something I wanted to talk about because I feel like it's a problem now, and it's just going to get worse in the future. It's genuinely going to get worse, and if we don't do anything about it, it's going to be a nightmare. It's going to be terror. But that's all I have to say right now. Hope you can relate, think about this. Let me know what you think in the comments. Sorry if this video felt kind of weird or like, what's the word, negative. But all I wanted to say is that there can be bad things in life, but the way you think, the way you view your life, and if you're surrounded by people who think like you can conquer any challenge, any upset, any difficulty in life. So I love you. We're doing great, and I'll see you soon.